Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Ford Escape XLT. Unleash adventure in style with the 2007 Ford Escape XLT. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2007 Ford Escape XLT. A top pick for SUV enthusiasts, it boasts a potent 3.0L V6 engine, ensuring power for any terrain. Loaded with factory features like power windows, locks, and mirrors, plus a remote keyless entry system, convenience is at your fingertips. With spacious cloth seats accommodating up to 5 passengers, comfort is paramount. Safety is paramount with standard anti-lock brakes, front and side impact airbags, and a rollover sensor. Its sleek black exterior and stylish medium/dark Flint interior make heads turn. With less than 85,000 miles, it's been well cared for, promising longevity. Efficiency meets performance with 18 mpg city and 23 highway, perfect for long commutes or adventures. With a clean Carfax and one previous owner, rest assured of its maintenance. Don't miss out on this blend of reliability and style. Visit us today. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.